Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Zoom website step by step. The first and foremost thing that you need to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Zoom and hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link that appears and then tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen. You may have to accept the cookies and then tap on sign in at the bottom. Once you're here, you may have to accept the cookies again. Here you must enter your email or phone number. You can also try signing in with Apple, Google, Facebook or Microsoft. For now, we're going to be signing in with our email. Hit next after you enter your email. And then you must enter your password if you have already set up your account, and simply hit sign in to log into your account. If you have not created your account, you must create your account first. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.